This is a unique way to eat fries that will make your mouth water. It's quick and easy, soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. You won't be able to resist. Let's start our recipe by kneading 3 potatoes. Here, they're all washed and peeled. Then cut them in half. Then cut them in half again, and then cut them into smaller pieces. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now transfer all these potatoes to a pot. Then add water until all the potatoes are covered. If you like potatoes, you need to make this recipe. It's delicious. Now let's cover and let them cook thoroughly. After this time, remove the potatoes and drain the water. Want to eat potatoes in a different way that's delicious? This recipe will make your whole family's mouth water. You won't be able to resist. After draining the water, we'll mash these potatoes by passing them through a sieve. This process will remove all the lumps and make the dough smoother. Remove the excess dough from the sieve. This is the ideal point. Now let's add half a spoonful of salt. Then add 3 spoonfuls of cornstarch. Once done, mix everything thoroughly until combined. Our dough will have this consistency. Now let's remove it and place it on a cutting board. Then adjust the dough, then cut it into 4 equal pieces. Set the 3 pieces aside. We'll use this part to shape it. Add a little cornstarch to the cutting board. Now you'll roll this piece of dough until it looks like this. This is the ideal point. Then, cut it into 2 finger-thick pieces. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about which city or country you're watching from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, using a fork, press it down like this to achieve this shape. Now add everything to a plate lined with parchment paper. Then, fry them all in well-heated oil. Let one side fry, then flip it over to fry the other side. And our recipe is ready. You can now remove it and place it on a plate lined with paper towels. Let it cool, and then serve. And look how perfect they turned out. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 1 to 10. How would you rate this recipe? I really hope you enjoyed it. Now I'll leave it at that. Best regards, and see you in the next recipe.